People attending a Labor Day event today say they discovered racist flyers in a Lafayette park. Toby Beck, a Democrat running in the 4th Congressional District against Republican Jim Baird, shared these pictures with us. She says she was at Columbian Park to campaign when a lady approached her about finding flyers with anti-Semitic messages. Beck says her team then picked up the flyers in the stands and concession area at Loud Stadium and threw them away.